Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening. Welcome back. Day 32 of our 100-day challenge. Going strong, going healthy, and always excited to come back and be with you. You guys are like a family to me. It's almost like from last 1 month we are sharing our thoughts and thanks for all your love and insights and inputs. Guys, I think by the end of 100 days we'll have so many things we would have accomplished. That's the beauty. And guys who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey where we have embarked to undiscover some facts of our life and make it our life more meaningful, joyful, and cheerful. So guys, I think the topic for that today is drop that expectation and feel that everything is possible. That's so very powerful. If we trust that there are superpowers, there is Almighty, there is God who is always with us, He is giving us everything, every moment of our life. But when we expect we want this, that's the expectation. But when we choose, okay, this is good for me, there is a difference. Yes, you have to make some choices that, okay, this is the house I want to live, this is a kind of career I want to have, this is a kind of better half I want to have. That's your choice. But don't put an expectation to that, and just make a choice and feel that everything is possible and that will come to you, because it's Almighty, it's universe who knows everything, what is good for us, and they are always with us to give us what we even desire, more than what we desire. But the only thing is we have to trust them, we have to have a confidence in them, we have to believe that everything is possible. And certainly I think that possibility, that sense of everything is possibility, come from that you are in a state, okay, I am accepting everything, whatever it is, I am happy with that, whatever I am having, and you are having a gratitude towards Almighty, you are having a gratitude towards your life, you are having your gratitude towards your family, and that's it. Everything will become so smooth like a water, and you don't have to put stress upon that, why I'm not getting this, why I'm not getting that, and all that kind of a thing. Just let go, just let it go, and just have a trust in Almighty. Just have that everything is unfolding perfectly, everything what you are even desiring God is giving you more than what you desire. But sometimes we put so much boundaries to our own desires that we certainly get lost what our desires are, what our dreams are. In one of my previous video we talked about that it's important to look after you, to put your dreams and pursue your dreams. But the only thing is, what if you want to achieve something, the when you get lost is when you share that dream or when you share that desire with somebody, and that person will have a different perception, will have a different thought to it, he will give a different notion, and you believe that, okay, that is only the correct, rather than just believing that whatever your dreams are, whatever your desires are, that's what you are, that's what God is giving you. So guys, it's very important that possibility is amazing. It's I think it's more of a giving yourself, surrendering yourself to Almighty, that God, whatever you're giving me, I'm okay, I'm happy with that. And just imagine, we are God's son, we are God's children. No father, no parents can harm their children, will never think bad about their children. Same is with the Almighty, same is with the universe. And we just have to feel that we are eternal, we are spiritual being, and everything is good, everything is fine, everything is amazing, everything is fantastic, everything is fabulous, and go with the flow. So guys, I think this was an important thing I thought just to share with you. I hope you would have liked this notion. And as always, always looking for your inputs, insights, comments, feedback, how to make this channel more powerful, how to make this channel more outreach to more other people, and get this community expanded, get this family expanded, and everyone feels so empowered. And that's what the intention is, that this community becomes so strong, so empowered, that we spread happiness. We take these things and we go along as a brand ambassador of joy, of happiness, and go along in this world and spread more happiness, guys. Each of one of us are a brand ambassador, and if God has given that, has blessed us with that, all that joy and happiness. We just have to go with that. So guys, always looking for your inputs and insights. Any topic you want me to cover, I'm always open for that. And your feedback and inputs are always welcome. And do consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much, guys. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.